2, 1, go! Press the pedal, turn the wheel. Go ahead. If you see a car that didn't turn on, please give it a hit. Okay, we have 4 cars that need a pump. Okay, they need to be pumped. Come on. Just press the pedal, turn the wheel. There you go, one is on. That's on. There you go, all the cars are on now. So please do not stop to move the wheel. If you stop to move the wheel, the car will stop and will take a while until the car on again. So if you see